Have you ever wondered how some people seem unshakable in the face of life's challenges? What if I told you that the secret lies in a simple daily practice that can transform your mindset and resilience? In this video, we'll dive into the art of daily self-reflection and journaling through the lens of Stoicism. You'll discover how to harness the power of self-honesty, build mental toughness, and create a quiet space for reflection. Whether you're looking to improve your decision-making or cultivate a more peaceful mind, stick around as we explore practical tips and timeless wisdom that will help you embrace each day with clarity and purpose. Get ready to unlock your potential and turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below about how Stoicism has helped you in your life. Let's get started. 1. What is daily self-reflection? Daily self-reflection is the practice of taking time each day to review your thoughts, actions, and emotions. It's about stepping back and honestly evaluating how you lived that day, what you did well, where you fell short, and how you can improve tomorrow. This practice is essential in Stoicism because it helps you cultivate self-awareness and keep your focus on your personal growth. By reflecting daily, you become more mindful of your habits, decisions, and reactions, which allows you to align your actions with your values. For the Stoics, self-reflection was a tool to live a virtuous life. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, wrote in his journal every day, reviewing how he dealt with challenges and reminding himself of his principles. He believed that if we can assess ourselves regularly, we'll live more wisely and with greater purpose. In your own practice, you can ask yourself simple questions at the end of the day like, did I live according to my values? Or, what could I have done better? This not only helps you grow, but also gives you a sense of peace, knowing that every day is an opportunity to improve. As the Stoics teach, the unexamined life is not worth living. 2. The power of self-honesty. Self-honesty is at the heart of Stoic self-reflection. It means being completely truthful with yourself about your thoughts, emotions, and actions. The power of self-honesty lies in its ability to reveal your true self, including your strengths and weaknesses. Without self-honesty, growth is impossible because you can't address what you refuse to acknowledge. In Stoicism, this practice is crucial because it allows you to confront your flaws and failures without judgment. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that it's not about being perfect, but about constantly striving to improve. When you are honest with yourself, you gain clarity about your desires, motivations, and areas where you need to grow. It's important to reflect daily and ask yourself, where did I act against my values? Or, did I let my emotions control me? This kind of honesty helps you take responsibility for your actions and guides you toward making better choices in the future. In a world full of distractions and external expectations, self-honesty brings you back to what truly matters, living a life of virtue and authenticity. As the Stoics say, a person should be upright, not be kept upright. This means that true integrity comes from within, and it starts with being honest with yourself. 3. The role of journaling in Stoicism. In Stoicism, journaling plays a key role in helping individuals live a life of virtue and self-improvement. Stoics believed that writing down thoughts and reflecting on actions allowed people to gain clarity and control over their minds. One of the most famous examples of this is Marcus Aurelius, who kept a personal journal that later became known as Meditations. In his writings, he would reflect on his day, his thoughts, and how well he followed Stoic principles. Journaling helps us see where we're living according to our values and where we might be falling short. It's a private space to be honest with ourselves, to ask questions like, did I react with patience today? Or, what virtues did I practice? By writing down these reflections daily, we become more mindful and better able to correct our course. It's a way to continuously improve, much like sharpening a blade. Stoicism teaches that we must work on ourselves every day, and journaling is a practical tool for this self-work. As the Stoics believed, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Journaling helps you take action by reviewing and adjusting your behavior to become the person you aim to be. Before we go further, if you enjoy enriching contents like this, please remember to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you won't miss our weekly sharing of wisdom for your personal growth. 4. Focus on what you can control. One of the central teachings of Stoicism is to focus only on what is within your control and let go of what isn't. This is a simple but powerful concept that can transform how you approach challenges in life. Many times we get stressed or anxious about things we can't change, like other people's actions, the weather, or past events. But according to Stoicism, worrying about these things is a waste of energy. Instead, Stoics believe we should concentrate on what we can control: our thoughts, actions, and reactions. By focusing on what we can control, we regain power over our lives and reduce unnecessary stress. When you practice journaling, you can reflect on this by asking yourself, what can I control in this situation? And am I spending too much energy on things outside my control? Over time, this practice will help you develop a calm and resilient mindset as you learn to accept what you cannot change and focus on improving yourself. This simple shift in focus can help you live with more peace and purpose, regardless of what life throws your way. 5. Building mental toughness. Mental toughness is the ability to stay strong and resilient in the face of challenges, and Stoicism provides a framework to build this strength. Journaling can play a significant role in developing mental toughness by allowing us to reflect on how we handle adversity. When we face difficult situations, it's easy to become overwhelmed by emotions or negative thoughts. By writing about these experiences, we can step back, observe our reactions, and learn from them. This helps us to stay calm under pressure and bounce back from setbacks. Stoicism teaches that challenges are opportunities for growth. Instead of fearing hardship, we can use it as a tool to strengthen our minds. Journaling helps you review how you responded to challenges each day and what you can do better next time. It teaches you to separate what you can control from what you can't, which is the essence of resilience. By reflecting on how we meet difficulties, we train ourselves to be tougher, more composed, and better prepared for whatever life throws at us. 6. A quiet space for reflection. Creating a quiet space for reflection is essential for meaningful self-reflection and journaling. In our busy lives, distractions can pull us away from thinking deeply about our actions and thoughts. Stoicism encourages moments of solitude where we can connect with our inner selves, free from the noise of the outside world. When you have a calm and peaceful space, your mind can focus better and your reflections become more thoughtful and clear. This doesn't mean you need a perfect environment. It could be a simple, quiet corner in your home. The key is to remove distractions so you can fully engage with your thoughts. In this space, you can review your day, reflect on your behavior, and think about how you're living according to your values. Marcus Aurelius often spoke about finding peace within yourself, even in chaotic environments. He said, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." A quiet space allows you to cultivate this inner peace, and journaling becomes a tool to deepen that calm and clarity. 7. Morning versus evening journaling. Journaling can be practiced either in the morning or the evening, each offering unique benefits. Morning journaling is about setting intentions and preparing your mind for the day ahead. It allows you to focus on how you want to approach the day, asking questions like, what challenges might I face, and how can I meet them with patience and wisdom? This prepares you to act with clarity and purpose. Evening journaling, on the other hand, is a time to reflect on your day. You can review what went well, where you fell short, and how you handled emotions or obstacles. This practice of nightly reflection helps you learn from your experiences and plan for self-improvement the next day. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius reflected both in the morning and evening, aiming to live with virtue and correct mistakes. He wrote, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive." In the evening he would ask, "What have I done wrong? What have I done well? What do I still need to work on?" Whether you choose morning or evening journaling, the goal is the same: to live with intention, reflect on your actions, and align your life with Stoic values. 8. Tracking progress and growth. Tracking progress and growth is a vital aspect of daily self-reflection and journaling, especially within the framework of Stoicism. This practice allows you to observe how you've changed over time, helping you recognize patterns in your thoughts and behaviors. By regularly noting your feelings, actions, and reactions, you create a valuable record that reveals your journey towards self-improvement. In your journal, you can set goals and reflect on your efforts to achieve them. For example, if you aimed to be more patient or to respond thoughtfully instead of reacting emotionally, you can note specific instances when you succeeded or struggled with these goals. This reflection helps you see how you're growing and where you might need to focus more attention. Additionally, reviewing past entries can be incredibly motivating. You'll often find that even small steps lead to significant change over time. This process fosters self-compassion as you learn to appreciate your efforts, recognizing that growth often comes with setbacks. Ultimately, tracking your progress helps you stay accountable to yourself and reinforces the Stoic principle of living intentionally. Journaling and self-reflection are essential Stoic practices that bring clarity, emotional resilience, and personal growth. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, you can begin to live with more intention, purpose, and calm. Remember, even the most powerful Stoics turn to this simple tool to guide their thoughts and actions. If it worked for them, it can work for you too. So if you're ready to start your own Stoic journey through self-reflection, why not start journaling today? Grab a notebook and begin with one simple question: what is within my control? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic insights to help you master your mind and life.